Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello everybody, hello and welcome to John on a Bike and welcome to our holiday home. We are down in near Mablethorpe in a caravan park. It's one of those fantastic deals that sometimes pops up on social media and such like, and we got this place for an absolute penny, didn't we, Katie?
We did.
Got this place for, was it?
£59.
£59. And although we were not usually caravan kind of people, there's a few times we've stayed in these places, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. I'll just go back a bit so we can get a bit more space. You can see here, hello Katie lounging in the corner. There's Katie. There's Katie. But look at this. Look what you get for your money. Big TV, a fire which changes colour and has fantastic flame effects, and a bit more heating. Speaking of heating, radiators throughout the caravan. Kitchen. We've got a bit of a mess here with our cycling stuff. Proper kitchen there, got bedrooms back there, ensuite and shower room and everything back there. I mean, look at this, £60 for 4 days, Katie, isn't it? £60 for 4 days for holidays, and it's lovely, isn't it, Katie?
It's fantastic.
Yeah, it's
nice
very
and quiet.
It is. It's very. Sorry, there's my phone going off in the background there. But yes, it's very quiet. Apart from phones going off. Yeah, but we've actually got a good signal here for the telephone as well. But we came here last night. The weather was nice, and it's been so quiet, hasn't it? So quiet. I mean, listen. Nothing. We've only seen a few people here and there. Kids are back at school. It's fantastic. So anyway, today we are taking the bikes down the coast to Mablethorpe, because at the moment we're just outside of Mablethorpe. It's only a few miles down the coast. We're going to head down that way, and it's dead flat as well. Really flat, so it's going to be really easy, hopefully, but it's a bit windy. So we're going to get prepared now, get the bike sorted, and head out down towards Mablethorpe. So we're just heading out the park, as you can see. Very quiet, very quiet. Got all the rows of caravans here. So yeah, it's very quiet around here. Very quiet. Little speed bump to go over here. Back my dog. But I think it's because it's out of season, Katie, isn't it? That's what it is. But it's a lovely place, isn't it? Some very posh caravans around mine. Very smart caravans here.
That's a private one.
That's a it's a private, very expensive caravans. We head out the park here. So we're just heading out before we head down beside the beach, isn't it? I think, down beside the beach.
Yeah.
As I said before, you know, me and Katie aren't really caravan people, if you like. If that makes sense. We don't really do caravans, not really. But the caravans today, the static caravans like these, are amazing, aren't they? Amazing, the facilities here. It's like a bungalow, basically. You know, it's nothing like a caravan as you imagine. If anybody hasn't been in one recently, try static caravan these days. It is a bungalow. Central heating, big widescreen TV if that's what you think it is, if that's important to you. Full kitchen, microwave, fridge, freezer, oven, everything on it. Yeah. Everything you need. Very impressed. So at the moment we are going down like parallel with the caravan park, which is on the path at the moment. It's not really sure where we're going. Heading down towards Mablethorpe. So folks, look at this. Katie's colour coordinated. Was that on purpose, Katie? Oh. It wasn't, was it really? Even your bubble is. Even your bubble's the right colour, look. The bubble in your hair. Look at this. Look at that, yeah. Stylish Katie. His shoes are, yes, yeah, got the shoes. Yeah. she's colour coordinated. How cool is that? Helmet matches everything. Well cool. We found the beach. Well, Katie's found the beach. We found the beach, Katie.
Just stand as far as your eyes can see.
I'll have a look. We'll show everybody the beach. Let's have a look.
Amazing.
There's the beach. It's a bit windy today as well, so I hope it's not making a racket on the microphones, but there's the beach. It's a bit windy, but the wind's actually coming from behind us, so it's not a cold wind at all. How flat it is. So I think we're heading that way, Kate, aren't we? Down that way. We're heading down this way somewhere. So we're heading down this little path here towards the town, I think. Heading towards the town, aren't we, Kate? If in Mablethorpe, yeah? A little windy path. We've got no idea where we're going. Oh, we lost Catherine.
No.
The beach is on that side. Yeah. What side's the beach, Katie? Yeah, beach is on that side. And then inland on the right hand side. You should be an air hostess, Katie. Yeah, if you ever give up nursing, you can be an air hostess. So yeah, we've got about 16 mile an hour wind or something today, but it's coming from like the right, from the land, from our right hand side. So hopefully it won't be too much effect for us today. Hopefully we'll be having it outside all the time. Oh look, they're coming towards an open area here. That's pretty cool, Katie, on the left here. Oh, is it golf, is it? I like this. I like the hut though. Crazy golf, £2 each. That's a good price, that. Very good price. I love crazy golf.
Oh, we might come back.
Yeah, we must come back when we've got the bikes. So I love playing crazy golf. Love it, love it, love it. We're quite often crazy golf's very expensive for some reason. Katie's off. Look at you. Can't resist. She just throws a bike down here, look at this. And off she goes. I missed that. Do it again. I missed that. I was videoing your bike, she went flying. Don't hurt yourself though. Don't hurt yourself. Careful, mate. She's off. Yeah, it's not easy to do one-handed though. Yeah, that's it, it's on the Olympics now, yeah. It's not easy to do it one-handed, I tell you. I've got my camera in my hand trying to do it. Go on, Katie. So we're here, we're at the beach, right in the front now. It's a nice looking beach as well. Very sandy looking beach. I know that seems a silly thing to say, but sometimes you get beaches where they're very gravelly and stones and rocks. This is a nice looking beach. So we're heading along the front here.
Promenade.
Promenading. We are promenading.
Yes.
Yes, we are promenading along the front. And as you can see, it's very nice. Very nice. And certainly nicer than they said it was going to be, isn't it?
Yep.
So far, I think it's supposed to rain a little bit later, isn't it? But at the moment, it's nice.
It's glorious.
Yeah, it's very nice. These are all huts down here, look at these. The kid says look a little bit like upturned boats on the roof. But these are older ones and the ones further back. We're still heading down the coast here, still heading down. But on the right hand side, we've just noticed some dark clouds. Just get past these huts, I'll show you. Dark clouds, Catherine. Huh? Now look at that. Yeah, we did know they were coming. Because a bit of a conundrum this morning, we set off, we were debating just put a hoodie or something on, because it's quite warm, but we put our coats on, as you can see, because it's supposed to rain. So obviously we're like a couple of hours of
Morning.
not a guaranteed chance of rain, but you know, it's like 30, 40, 50% chance of rain, so we thought we'd better put our coats on. So we're heading along a straight section here, next to the beach, as you can see. The other side of Catherine here. You alright, Catherine?
Absolutely fine.
Yeah. So yeah, we're heading along, hopefully avoiding the rain, because as you can see here on the right hand side, it's a little bit dark and ominous. So we're still going on the front, it's just going and going and going. It's really good, isn't it, Kitty? It's really good. There's a few little narrow parts here and there, you know, where it gets a bit narrow and there's people there and stuff, but generally speaking, it's pretty good, and the people are very friendly. Very, very friendly so far down here. Yeah, friendly people of Mablethorpe. Very nice. People are saying hello and smiles. Very nice. Very nice. So that must be Mablethorpe there, Kitty, is it?
I don't know.
We don't know if we've gone past Mablethorpe, we've just come past Mablethorpe, haven't we? So we're not sure if we're still at Mablethorpe or whether we've gone past, we don't know. We've got no map, I've got no computer. I think we've got a phone somewhere, but we're not really looking at the maps or anything. We just see where the road takes us, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we look like we're on the coast and country trail, folks. So coming down from Mablethorpe, Trusthorpe, Sutton-on-Sea, Sandylands and Huttoft Car Terrace. So that's where we are. And this is the area where we cycling down beside of. So we're going to head down that way, hopefully without too much rain. So it's part of England's coastal path there, look. Yeah, it's very nice, isn't it, Katie? It's very nice. Very
9
nice.
miles.
How long is it?
9 miles.
9 miles if we do the whole route, which we should do, shouldn't we?
Yeah, down and back.
Down and back, 9 miles there and back. I've just indicated one of the beauties of coming to the beach is you quite often find areas like this, like what we're going down now, where you can cycle along safely. You know, you're not too narrow for people and stuff to get past, or for you to get past other people. You know, quite a lot of beaches have these areas, don't they, Katie?
Yeah.
This one has it. Blackpool's the same, like a promenade kind of area. Yeah, Victoria Promenade for your bike. I bet they wouldn't have driven people come along the bikes though, would they?
Oh, they would have come and already blown in the big dresses,
Yeah.
giving out their little cards, inviting people to tea.
Is that what you should? Was that what we need to do?
Yeah.
Hand out cards, invite people back to our caravan for tea. But yeah, you know, the fantastic stuff like this, especially on these little fold bikes, because they take up no space. You can easily get past people because they're very agile.
Invite people back for chocolate cake.
Oh yes, yeah. Katie's made an amazing cake. Amazing cake. I'll have to are you there, alright? I'll have to soon know people friendly. People are very friendly. Oh, here comes the rain, Katie. But yeah, Katie made a fantastic cake. It's a chocolate cake with a cheesecake on top of it. Really, it's fantastic.
Cake is the base.
Chocolate cake is the base with cheesecake on the top of it. It's absolutely fantastic. I think I've got a photograph in the bowl, haven't I? Yeah. I'll put a photograph up here to show you, and it was amazing. Amazing. Just imagine when Katie opens up her kitchen, Katie's kitchen. That's what I think Katie should do. Open up a kitchen called Katie's Kitchen because she's an amazing baker. It'd be fantastic. So put your orders in now, folks. Get your orders in now. A very eclectic mix of beach huts we've seen down here. You've seen the posh ones and really smart ones, but then there's these ones. No, so it's.
Yours.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make your
Oh, my shed. Yeah. 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 Very eclectic mix. Yeah. Hello there. Hiya. Hello there.
Some of them even got little things on the side, look. Balcony.
Friendly people. Friendly people. But look at these huts. Fantastic. How cool are they? Very eclectic looking huts, but they're brilliant. Look how flat it is here. You can see it for miles and miles and miles. Very flat. So that's inland. This is the coastal route that we're on. There's Katie up there waiting for us. And there's the sea, of course. And we follow this path here. You can see it here. Good path actually. It's good. If you're down here, give it a try. It's good. We have just discovered a seal. If you can just see there. Just there. I'm not sure if it's dead or if it's just sleeping or what it's doing. We could just see it over the side of the dunes there as we've come down the path here. Is it dead? Katie's going to have a look. Not sure if it's dead. I'm not leaving the bike. See, the bikes are behind us, so I'm not going too far away from the bikes. What was it with the seal then?
Seal's dead. It's been dead for a little while.
Yeah, no, that's a sad one. That's very sad. So yeah, unfortunately these things happen, don't they? So we're going to carry on further down here. We're a few miles left, aren't we? I think.
Yeah.
A few miles left down that way. Just come from that way. And we're heading that way. And thankfully, the rain stayed off for the moment as well. Thankfully. Yeah, you okay? Famous there, yeah, famous last words, yeah.
What do I normally say to you? What did you say that for?
What did you say that for? Yeah, it's raining. Jinx myself. So we're coming to the end of the track here. Yeah, I'm coming to call this now. Just a car park, isn't it? It's just the name of a car park. Kids just walking in front of me short. So we're coming to the end of the car park here. End of the track, I mean, the car park. And that's the way we came, and that's the way we're heading back up. But it's a good route actually. It's a good route, very easily, because it's very, very flat, isn't it, Katie?
Very flat.
Very flat, very easy to ride. So yeah. So it's what, altogether, about 9 miles, would we say?
I think so.
We estimate about 9 or 10 miles here and back by the time we get there and back, so it's not a long ride. It's a nice little route. Is that your bike?
My bike was talking.
So yeah, so we'll head back up the track again. So we've had to stop, of course, with the obligatory coffee. Oh, and treats as well. National Trust coffee, look, from our National Trust place here. So we've just come off the track up there, just past the red car, past the huts along there. So this spot down here, stop to get our coffee. So look at this, we've got a sunken forest here, folks. Fantastic. Look at that. Obviously a very ancient forest that shows itself when the tide, when the sand's low enough. Submerged forest at the coast.
So in 1796, Sir Joseph Banks visited and took samples, look, and some of them were like holly, Ilex aquaforum and common holly. That was coming off there.
And how old is it? Does it tell you? Oh, there, 10,000, 12,000 years ago. That's amazing. I love stuff like that. Fantastic. Love stuff like that. Just like when you see fossil footprints, you know, dinosaur footprints on the coast, and even just fossils in general. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. Brilliant. So we've come off the beachfront and we're heading up the high street of Sutton-on-Sea at the moment. Just come past a pub there on the left. It's a nice little place actually, it looks alright. Obviously, I haven't seen much yet, but it looks nice. Of course, busy with traffic. Like everywhere these days. Busy, busy, busy. But we are noticing all the food shops, aren't we, Katie? We are noticing all the food shops. Yeah. How cool is that? Look at that. Fantastic. I love these toppers that they have on top of post boxes in various parts of the country. Some very talented knitters out there, Katie, isn't there? Brilliant. So we've walked up one side of the street and we're heading back down the other. So only a small place by the looks of it. Very busy, isn't it? Very busy place. Lots of little unique little shops. There you go, Katie, with an orange light at the top of your bike. Yeah, should we have an orange flashing light? £10. We've been buying, Katie.
I've been buying.
You've been buying.
Some sausage rolls.
It's out tonight.
Butcher's sausage rolls.
Oh, they look nice, don't they?
And some nice ham on the bone.
Oh, nice. Now some of that butchers over there. Fantastic. Family butchers, good stuff. That'll do us for our tea tonight. Nice one. So we're heading back along the coastal route again. As you can see, the sun's out now. We had a tiny little bit of rain earlier on. Literally just a shower, because it was supposed to rain later, but so far it hasn't done much, has it? Tiny little bit of shower. It's been a lovely day so far. And again, lots of very friendly people around here, mind. I was talking to a couple from Lincoln, living here in Lincoln, chatting away to those. But people waving at us. Very friendly people, aren't they? So yeah, very friendly people down here. Very nice part of the world. So we're heading back towards Mablethorpe, aren't we? We're going to go into Mablethorpe and have a look around. So we just rode straight past last time, so we're going to actually go in there now. See what it's like, see what's happening in Mablethorpe. Into the town now, have a look around, see what's happening. See what we'll find. Will we find more food, Katie? Yeah. Oh, we have a bunch of food. So we've just come on to Mablethorpe there. The usual typical seaside kind of town, you know. Lots of arcadey things and stuff. Lots of people around, so I didn't video very much. Some kind of pictures along here though. Look at these. Very cool. So we are heading on the path at the moment. We've come away from the seafront. Just because there's no actual path leading back up to where the caravan park is. So we're heading up the side of the path here. Because the road's very, very busy. So we'll come back to our caravan now, and it's been a good day. It's been a very good day, good ride. Weather's not too bad, you know. A little bit of mizzle here earlier on, a bit windy, but it's been quite warm, I think. It
was very warm.
It's been very warm, yeah. It's been good. Enjoyed the ride?
I have enjoyed the ride.
Yeah.
It's been really good.
Very good. It's always good to discover new places. So as always, folks, thank you very much for joining us. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you very soon. So it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from me. Bye, everyone.
Take care, everybody. See you all later. Bye bye.